What's up, guys? I have a little Infusionsoft tip of the day here. So if you want to access your order forms, right, you have to go over here to e-commerce setup, and then you have to click into your list of order forms. And then you open the appropriate order form. So it's 2 or 3 clicks before you even get to whatever the order form is that you were going to, like this all access pass, right? So it shows up right there. So here is the trick. It's actually twofold. So let's say you're looking at your list of campaigns. If it's an order form you have been working on recently, you should get in the habit of using your recent history to quickly jump back to that specific order form. If it's something you've been working on recently, it should be a task or an opportunity or a referral partner or a campaign. It should be right here on this list. Now, tip number 2 is if it is something like order forms and it just takes multiple clicks to get there, you can also add it to your favorites bar. A lot of people don't know that inside Infusionsoft you have a favorites section, and then you can just click on that, and it takes you right to that page, saving you the extra click steps. So for things that are multiple clicks away, like settings and then tags, right? Things like that, you can add to your Infusionsoft favorites to automatically, whoops, there it is, drop you right into that section and save you a couple of clicks. All right, that is it for the tip du jour. Have a good one, guys.